Hello guys, you might have noticed that on this used screen, and since the glass is a clear one, you tend to see a lot of glare. There's a whole lot of glare. You can see the rear window, and especially if I just put a dark in here. Yeah, I'm not sure if you have noticed that there's some glare in this area as well, so that's why I've got this anti-glare screen protector from Tessoris. So yeah, it's not a tempered glass like the one I have here, but let's see what's inside the package. So yeah, it's a screen protector, it's not a tempered glass, and there's some kit as well, installation kit, and they have also provided with QR code. So it says check inside, attach when the screen is cool or so less dust and debris will stick into it, blah blah blah. Turn off fan, close all doors and windows, enable screen cleaning mode. Yeah, of course we're gonna do this. And also, if you have checked out our old video on this clear screen protector, you can check it out here. But yeah, for now what I'm gonna do is I'll just go to display and screen clean mode. So this is now in screen clean mode, and also what I need to do is, yeah, so I need to turn off this. So that's what they've mentioned on their page. And I'll go here, display, screen clean mode. Yeah. So this is the stock display screen cleaner. I haven't washed it, to be honest, since I bought this car. Cleaning it now. Yeah, you tend to see a lot of fingerprints, and also yeah, since it's a clear one, there's some glare in there. So we don't need that now. Let's grab the kit. Let's see what's inside here. Okay, so we got this dust absorber, and we got this towel as well. It's a nice towel, and also we got some wet wipes. So according to the instruction, what it says is, attach when the screen is cool so less dust and debris will stick on. Align the protector to the screen to find the correct application direction. Turn off fan and close all the doors and windows. So we've already done that. And enable screen clean mode, then clean the screen. Use dust absorber to remove dust and debris. Remove tag one side. Removable tag one side is the side that adheres to the screen, holding the protector at an angle. Position the top of the protector so it is flush with the top edge. Carefully lay it down on the screen. Give it a soft press in the center and allow the adhesive surface to grip to the screen naturally. If there are bubbles remaining, gently smooth them towards the edge. So yeah, we've got this squeezy as well, which is a good thing. Anyways, so I've got this wet wipes now. I'll just start cleaning with the wet wipes. Okay, so it has not mentioned if you need to use wet wipes first and then the screen cleaning cloth, but yeah, I'll probably do that. Okay, let's use the dust absorber now. Anyways, so now we've got the screen protector itself. So what it says is, peel off this mask before application, so we need to peel this off and then apply. So if we try to do this, yeah, so the main problem is alignment. Okay, peel off this mask and apply. So what I'm gonna do is just put it like this and try to apply. Yeah, I can already see dust in here. What I'm gonna do is just peel this off. Oops, not the perfect. But anyways, try to make this as good as possible. Okay, not too bad, as we can see. Okay, we've got some alignment issue at this side, but we've got this squeegee. I think, yeah, we'll use this part to get rid of all the bubbles. Yeah, it's not gonna come perfect, but at least we've got a spare one. So I bought this 2-pack. So it was some $19 for a 2-pack. But anyways, just need to get rid of most of the bubbles. So I will hold to exit. Yeah, so now I can't see any glare, to be honest. So no glare. I don't see any glare in here, and even if I change this to dark, I don't see any glare. And even if I go to screen clean mode, yeah, there's no glare. It's much better. Just that there are a few debris, but that doesn't really bother to me, to be honest. We'll just get going, and yeah, if we have to reapply, then we do have a spare one. So yeah, overall I think it's good. It feels good to, yeah, at least it does. It's not a fingerprint magnet like the other one. Looks good to me.